Are you feeling constipated? Are your sugar levels a little high? Are your cholesterol a little high too? You have no energy, a lack of energy? Are you feeling bloating? What is happening to you? Well, don't worry. I have the perfect solution. And the best way, the natural solution with this whole week of green smoothies. You will see how magnificent, delicious, and how well they become to your body. So let's start with these juices for each day of the week. We're going to start the week with a fresh and delicious smoothie that will help you to deflate, regulate digestion, and the most important of all is that it's going to protect your heart. All red and purple fruits and veggies have a special nutrient that help to improve the health and functioning of your heart. So we will need 1 cup of strawberries, 1 cup of spinach, 1 stick of celery, 1 tablespoon of chia, and 1.5 cups of water. To start, let the chia soak in water for at least 10 minutes. Put the chia with the water in the blender and add the spinach and the strawberry. I use frozen strawberries because I like the texture and the freshness, but you can use just the natural fruit strawberries, not frozen. For the ginger, just a little piece, the size of your index fingernail. And then add the celery and blend everything together until pulverized. This is a great shot of vitamin C and nutrients. Now for Tuesday. Today we're going to irritate your body and fill it with nutrients and fiber. The best part is that we will irritate which also is going to be reflected in a beautiful skin and hair. And this also works as a natural diuretic. So get ready for the flat belly. This is going to help you if you are feeling bloating. You need half a spoon of flaxseed, 1 cup of pineapple, 1 stick of celery, 1 small piece of ginger, half a quarter of a cucumber, and 1.5 cups of water. Place ingredients in the blender, and the piece of ginger, remember it has to be small, otherwise it's going to be super spicy, and blend all together until pulverized. You will see how much energy it will give you to start your day. Now that we have the kids at home, we really need that extra energy. And for Wednesday, this is a special smoothie to reduce high cholesterol levels. It is also full of nutrients and full of fiber to improve digestion and constipation. You will need half a tablespoon of flaxseed, 1 stick of celery, 1 cup of green leaves, it can be spinach, kale, chard, 1 apple, and 1 piece of ginger. I'm using red apple. Blend all the ingredients until pulverized. Remember that red apples contain a lot of phosphorus, which is excellent to improve memory and brain function. So this actually has 2 functions for today: to improve memory and also to control high cholesterol levels. Enjoy. For Thursday, this smoothie is special to improve digestion and help keep the liver healthy. I love it because it's so fresh and it just energizes my mornings. For this, 2 tangerines, 1 stick of celery, 1 quarter of a cucumber with or without peel, 1 piece of ginger, and a half tablespoon of flaxseed. Place all the ingredients in the blender until pulverized. You will see what a delight. It also irritates your skin in a wonderful way. Caution, because you'll be visiting the bathroom very soon. And finally for Friday, now get ready for the Ferrari of the fiber. Get ready for an overdose of fiber, especially for those who suffer from constipation and they write me all the time, Laura, what can I eat? I need to go to the bathroom. Well, don't worry. You can have one opal leaf. This is a cactus leaf, 1 pear, 1 stick of celery, half a spoon of flaxseed, 1.5 cups of water. Now blend everything together until pulverized. And there's a reward of drinking this. Not only your health and the energy you will have, but also that you are giving the example to your kids at home. And this is amazing. This is my 2-year-old. That's a nopal cactus smoothie and he loved it. He always comes over and he steals his father's drinks, smoothies, so I'm just making small glasses with smoothies for him. So remember, you can follow me on Instagram at La Recetas de Laura to find daily inspiration in the smoothies I'm making for my family every day, and more recipes for kids and for every person looking for a healthy way of living and eating delicious. So I have new recipes on YouTube every Thursday and Sunday here at La Recetas de Laura. See you soon, amigos, con más deliciosas recipes.